Today we're going to fire up the Lone Star Grillz and cook a hot and fast pork butt. So let's get started. We're going to kick off by firing up the Lone Star Grillz to a temperature of 300 degrees, but I'm ultimately going to settle this thing in at around 325. To prep this butt, I'm going to score a diamond pattern on the top and the bottom sides of the butt. And then I'm going to follow that by putting on a thin layer of mayonnaise as a binder on all sides. And then we'll finish off our prep by putting a nice heavy coat of our homemade barbecue rub on here. And I'll give you the recipe for this rub in the video description. And now that our grill's up to temp, we're going to slide this top rack out just a little bit. We're going to set our pork butt right in the middle. And then we're going to close things back up, and we're going to cook until our bark is where we want it to be. And we'll just set our timer up where we can see the different time stages of this cook as we go. We're about 4.5 hours into this cook, and my pork butt here is looking good. I'm happy with the way the bark looks. So at this point, we're temping at about 160 degrees or so we're going to pull it off. I'm going to give it a nice double wrap in aluminum foil. And we're going to set it right back on the top rack of the smoker. We're going to close it up and let it finish cook until it's nice and tender. We're at the 6.5 hour mark on this cook, and I've just checked this thing and it's perfect. This thing is temping at 203, 204 degrees, and it's probe tender. The probe just falls into this meat. It's perfect. So we're just going to wrap it back up in foil and let this guy rest in the cooler here for a couple hours before we pull it apart. So I let this rest for 2 hours to make this entire process start to finish 8.5 hours, which is pretty daggum good for a 8.5 pound pork butt. As you can see, the bone just slid right out of this, clean as bee, and this thing's just falling apart. I'm just having to take my fork and just mash this up. And I've got a really nice smoke ring here. It's a really deep smoke ring once again, and some really tender pulled pork. So your hot and fast pork butt method is a method that you need to start about 10 hours before you're ready to serve. If you're going to serve a 6 p.m. meal, I would suggest having that butt on the smoker by 8 a.m. You can start it earlier. If you want to start it at 6 or 7 and still have additional rest time, it's going to work out perfectly. So guys, give this method a try. Let me know what you think. And until next time, this is John Setzler with Man Cave Meals.